to another vlog. So I just woke up. No, I'm lying, I ain't just wake up, but I just got up because, you know, your girl got stuff to do. I gotta go take my car to get serviced in a little bit, so I'm about to clean up in here a little bit and then go meet my grandmother so she can follow me, because I hate sitting there. Like, it's no need for me to get another car for the day because it's only for a little bit, but I just hate sitting there. So she gonna, and it's near her house, so she's gonna sit with me, or we're gonna go to Five Below or something. Then I wanna do like a little bit of shopping like at my local stores instead of online, because I told y'all a lot of stuff I be finding be in these little boutiques like in the area. So that's what we're gonna do. But
where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder.
I want to show y'all this. So my friend, her name is Shauna, she has a brow business. So I just wanted to show y'all this. Now she does like the tinting and stuff like that. So it comes in this little, I got the eyebrow serum, and it comes in this little baggie. I'm gonna do a little unbagging for y'all. And then you get your serum, and it says Foreign Beauty. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it says Foreign Beauty. Oh, I almost dropped it. It says Foreign Beauty, and the packaging is cute. Like, look. And she took her time with this because, look, it's not like a sticker. It's not a sticker or anything. Like, it's really etched on there, and it's so pretty. It's so pretty, and I'm so proud of her. And the lid is like, it's like a soft finish. Like, it's like a soft finish, but this is when it comes out, so it's not like, you know, goopy or anything like that. And that's like the consistency, so you guys can tell. And you just like, I don't really want to waste it because I'm gonna wash my face, but like, you just brush it on there, and it's like, it doesn't have like a bad smell or anything, and it's actually pretty lightweight. I think I like this. I might mess around and end up using this whole thing so quick because you can't tell it's anything on there, and I like that. So far I like that, and this is my first time really like opening it. I won't lie to y'all. And then you also get this scrub. So this is the, so y'all can see it, like this is a scrub. It's like a little brown color, so you can see it. Ignore my nails, y'all, because oh, this smells good. It has like a little sweet smell. And then you get like a little wand, and I have a bunch of these because I do lashes like sometimes, so I have a bunch of these too. And then you get her card. It has the FB, and it's like a little like gold kind of shade. And then on the back, it just, you know, has her info. So I'm gonna put it there, come on, in case y'all want to screenshot it, reach out to her. She's in New Jersey. So yeah. Your iPads. Couldn't get it out. You get 2 little eye patches, and they're so cute. It's like gold. It's so cute. All right, so then I had ordered this online on Instagram. This called Salt Air. It's a body wash. It's I'm like, what is that? This one I picked up the Santal Bloom. It's Skin Rejuvenating Serum Body Wash. And this one, it says Manoi Oil, Cacao Butter, and cuckoo oil, intensely nourished while girl, listen, I don't know what that say. Moisturize, hydrate, brighten, whatever. I got Santal Bloom, and then I also picked up Black Tide. I picked up the Black Tide one because it's like this pretty dark gray bottle. Like, it's not black. It's like a really pretty. And now between the two, I really like this one the most, the Black Tide. And it's just like the packaging is so cute for me. Like, everybody is welcome here. It's just so cute. I picked up a new candle. It's the Mojave Suede by Manly Indulgence. It says fragrant notes of faded suede, desert driftwood, and misted musk. So, and it looks like this, and y'all already know what made me pick it up. It's like this gray soft matte with like the wooded top. And it has a wood wick. This smells good. I don't really like for my house to smell like fruity and stuff like that. Maybe sometimes here and there, but champagne fruits. And it came in 6 and they look so pretty. They look so freaking pretty. It's not a wine glass. It's a champagne flute. I feel like it might look bigger on the camera, but it's not. Like, I picked up some bodysuits. Well, I was looking for basics, like for spring, so I picked up this white bodysuit by, I went to Cotton On, and it's like a thong back bodysuit, and it a thong bottom, and it snaps right there. And I like how the neck is like real seamless. No. Then I had picked up some really cute, well, I don't know if they're that cute, I gotta try it on, but I went to H&M, and I've been wanting some sweatpants that were like wide and just like free at the bottom. The kind that I've been looking for, I wanted some that had more of a raw hem, but these are still cute. So I got these, and I got them in an extra small because I like it to snatch me real good in my waist. And then I got, these are a little see-through, so I gotta try them on and see, because girl, let me tell you, if they funny looking, they're going straight back to the store. Straight back. Because I'm not in the business of keeping shit that I don't wear. But the black ones I feel like I would keep because they're not see-through. And you get your little pocket right here. And these were $17.99 in case anybody is wondering. Some plain, when I'm saying basic, y'all, basic. These was $4.99. Let me show y'all so I don't think I'm lying. $4.99 for these. I just wanted some basic short sleeve like tanks, and I get them in an extra small, and they're stretchy. See, stretchy. I got it in black too, so I got me some basics. Hey guys, so I just got off work like not too long ago, and today was a freaking drag. Do a little haul. So the vlog sees it first. This is my first time opening it too. I hope I don't hate it, because first off, the smell smells just like factory. But I had got this from Ego. You know that website, that little boutique that has Ego. It's like the UK brand. Oh, this is cute. Is this zipper even functional? Because it's like, maybe not. No, it's just for show, so I guess it's supposed to. But it's so cute. Like, look. And this is like, of course, like the Balenciaga dupe. But this is so cute. I didn't even honestly realize that it was croc. Like, it was like a croc kind of whatever. But let's open her up and see. What is this? Oh. More than likely would not use this. But let's see if my phone could fit in it, y'all. Oh, it could. So it's spacious. Like, you got room. It's spacious. I didn't think it was going to be spacious. I actually thought it was like scared it might be a little bit smaller. But why is this part, like, I feel like this part, like, you see how this part is kind of like poked out? Like, ain't that supposed to be like this? Another little bag that I picked up was this. It's like a wristlet, but it's not just any wristlet, y'all. It's like a cute, I don't know if you, it's from Target by the brand A New Day, and it was $13. It's like this natural, I don't know what you call this material, but it's like that natural material, and it has that cute little like design with the lines, and it's like cloth material, but I like it a lot because of the black. It's like that black and that natural kind of color, like that natural oak. Like if I put it next to this, you can see the difference in the color, like what I mean. But this is cute. Like this is cute, and then the thing is gold, so I love that for me. Love that for me, y'all. I also picked up some so my yummy extensions have been kind of look at my face breaking out, have been my curly ones. I've been feeling like it's been like a little dry, and my loud ones, I'm sorry, like in the nape area, and it's been annoying me. And the Tresemme that they recommend, I've gone through a whole giant big bottle, and to me it does absolutely nothing. Like I don't know, like when you first get the bundles maybe, but after, I guess I've had a lot of my bundles for way over 2 years, and it's just not doing it. So I thought back to when I used to use the Aussie brand when Aussie first came out, and that used to be the shit. Like a moist conditioner and the Miracle Curls Frizz taming cream. So I got this one to use on the curly bundles, and then this one I could use this on the curly ones also, but on my other hair, but because I kind of hate how that shit be getting frizzy, so I picked this up. So we gonna test it out and see how it does. So the La Roche-Posay, this one is for normal to oily skin. Now a lot of my other products I've been using was like kind of like helps with like dry skin, but my skin is like combo. So I used this last night and this morning, and already I've seen a difference, because like I had a breakout like here and over here, and the bump, like I felt it, like that shit is gone. So they're not lying about this, because I was gonna get the CeraVe Essay Cleanser or something like that, but I was like, let me just try this one, and I really like it. So this ginger, sit. No, I said sit. Okay, we see y'all later.